Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the audio warning for the entering urban area mode in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and click on the settings button, and then click on the warnings button, and then click on the alert points button. And if you enable the alert point warnings section, you can click on the alert types button. And here click on the entering urban area button. And if you set the warning type for audio and visual, then you have access to the audio warning function. And if you click on that, as you can see, there are two ways to set it. So just click on the one that you want to use, and then that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.